from Field of Hype, and today we'll be taking a look at this. I know I have made a review on a Thomas the Tank Engine model before, but I did promise that I would bring to you a bigger model, and this is a bigger model, and it's a completely different one from the one that I have done in the past. So now I'm going to show you guys how to assemble this together and make it work. But first, let's look at the box. Okay, so this box is full of characters that I don't know how to read, so I'm not going to even try. But I do know this guy. Yes, that is Thomas the Tank Engine, so that's all I need to care about. So now I'm going to show you how to assemble this track to make it look like this. So yes, let's open it. And let's throw it away, and in the box we have something that look like this. Yes, let's start assembling. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to assemble the tracks in the right order. First of all, in each end of the pieces of the track there is a number list from 1 to 10. So for my case, I started with number 10, which is this, and this is number 9. So now we have to find number 8, which is this one. Here's number 8. Connect number 8 to number 9, like so. What do I think of this? Well, at first impression, this looks nothing like Thomas the Tank Engine. At least in my last video about this train set, at least the tank engine looks a bit like Thomas. This doesn't look like Thomas. It doesn't even look like anything in this box cover, so it's generally bad. I mean, the part of assembling everything together, you know, makes sense and everything works well, but I just feel like this is just a very cheap knockoff of my childhood memories. So yeah, I have to say this is so bad. So yes, that's been my opinion on this little thingy right here. I think it's bad. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. I am Igazen from Vibe, and I will see you soon.